So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in about your PC. Click on it. Now once you're on this, next to system type, we're going to see what operating system that we have. So for me, I have a 64-bit operating system. You might have a 32-bit. You just want to take note of what you have. I'm going to leave a link down below for this website. So if you're using 64-bit, then you want to download both of these. But if you're using 32-bit, you want to download the one on the bottom which says Architecture 32. So for me, I have 64-bit, I'm going to download both of these. You want to make a note of which one's which because they both have the same name. So for me, for the 32-bit one, I just added 32 at the end. So now I'm just going to create two separate folders. One for 64 and one for 32. So now you want to extract both these folders. You just want to right click on the folder and hold it, and then you just want to drag it into the correct one, which will then tell you to extract. Click on extract, and you want to do the same thing for the 32-bit one. Right click on hold it, and then drag it into 32, and then click on extract. So now you want to open up File Explorer again. Click on this PC, and then click on your C drive, and then click on Windows, and now you want to scroll down until you see System 32. If you're using 32-bit Windows, you want to drag the 32-bit DLL file into System 32. But if you're not using 32-bit Windows, then don't do this. Only do this if you're using 32-bit Windows. If you're using 64-bit Windows, which most of you probably are, you want to drag the 64-bit DLL file into System 32. And then click on Continue. And now you want to drag the 32-bit file into syswow64. And then click on Continue. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed. Now if it's still not working for the second method, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. You want to download DirectX User Runtime. Click on download. Now once you have this downloaded, we're just going to run this and install it. Click on yes. Click on I accept. Click on next. You can untick Bing. Click on next. And then it's installing. Now once it's been fully installed, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.